Hello my brothers, today I'm going to show you how to draw like a pro. But first, let's clean the desk. Oh yeah, that was easy. Okay, first I'm going to sketch, and to do this I'm going to use a pencil, an eraser, the hardcore sketchbook and my phone. Oh shit. Fix. Oh yeah.
I don't do no beating around the bush. That's a double entendre. Bitch, you wouldn't get it if you studied it for weekends. I'ma put a pause. Every rapper out here rapping like they got it all on. God, I'm so appalled.
Now I'm going to get inspired on Instagram looking at pictures of crazy humans wearing crazy clothes.
Spring back on them cause I know summer, winter, summer, fall.
Okay, now that I know what I want to draw, let's sketch. When I do the hardcore sketch, I just draw what I have in my mind without details. And when I'm happy with it, I start sketching on the sexy sketchbook. Okay, to sketch, I'm going to use these epic sketchbooks and going to give 2 of these away. So stay till the end of the video to know how to participate. Okay, but first let's unbox and customize it cause, you know, I'm MARKO, I mean Gawx. Time to shake the Posca fine liner. My custom sketchbook is done, so let's apply some crazy varnish. My bruddas, it's time to sketch. Remember to always start with basic shapes and add the details at the end. Now clean your sketch with an eraser and a stronger pencil. Okay, it's 11:32 AM and it's time to go to the cinema. Today I'm watching Joker. Okay, it was pretty epic, but Jared Leto's Joker was better, to be honest. Now it's time to ink. To do this, I'm going to use the fine liner, of course, and my glasses, cause you need to be precise when you draw sexy lines. And don't add the sexy lines at the start, those will come later.
Keep the same energy, work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring, you know I drip different, just the 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze.
Now I'm going to use my special black marker to draw the big shadow.
Bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. Double use as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know.
Oh yeah, my brothers, time for the sexy lines. And remember to wear sexy Crocs while drawing sexy lines to get sexy results.
Bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
For those who don't know, sexy lines are basically just thicker lines.
Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this.
Okay, inking done, so it's time to color. But first, I'm going to drink some cereal. Chef Gawx.
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you.
Oof, delicious.
But I'm not sure I wanna place it.
Now it's time to clean the desk.
Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
Yeah,
okay, I'm ready to start coloring. Oh yeah!
BS, no ICT. My IQ look like I'm out of an Ivy League. My swag.
And don't worry, I'm not going to use green because it is the worst color ever. When you color, don't forget to work in layers and to blend your markers together. And to wear Crocs and socks to get sexy results. Now let's drink some paint water.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service.
Oh yeah, I'm still alive.
Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me.
Okay, I went to sleep, so see ya tomorrow. Oh, it's already tomorrow. Oh wait, I don't speak bro. Let's finish this thing. And finally the signature. Enjoy the reveal. Okay, I'm going to give away 2 sketchbooks, and to participate the only thing you have to do is subscribe to the channel with post notifications on, follow me on Instagram, and go to the link in the description to see the sketchbooks. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!